Hello, and welcome to your Mindspo Light Bath Meditation. I'm Rochelle Fox, and I'll be your meditation teacher today. In today's meditation, you are going to experience an energetic light bath from a magical waterfall on the island of Bali. So come with an open mind and an open heart, ready to receive. You, like all things in this universe, are made of energy, frequency, and vibration. When you become overwhelmed, stressed, or overworked, your energy can be lowered, affecting how you think and how you feel. This Mindspo meditation will restore your energy and realign your inner light, bringing you home to your truth. Sit down now with your back nice and straight and gently begin to close your eyes as you envision a waterfall of white light pouring over your entire body. Keep your mind's focus on this feeling and on this vision of a white light waterfall flowing over your entire body. Now imagine the energetic white light from this waterfall entering the crown of your head and then pouring its light down your neck and then down your spine until it reaches your chest. As the light moves to your chest, feel its warmth as it enters your heart. Hold this vision of a bright white light in your heart space. Feel this white light begin to warm your entire body from within. Breathe in and out through your nose as you hold this feeling of a warm white light within your heart. Now begin to expand the white light in your heart as you breathe in deeply and exhale as the light moves through your veins. Breathe in and out through your nose as this light permeates every area of your body. You are now one with the white light waterfall. Allow yourself to sit here and recalibrate your energy as you realign with the frequency of that in which you are. In case you've forgotten who you are, this white light waterfall is here to remind you that you are love and you are loved. Stay with this feeling and this vision of the white light waterfall as you continue to cleanse and calm your mind, body, and soul. Now begin to gently repeat this affirmation in your mind. I am light. I am love. On your inhale in your mind, repeat, I am light. On your exhale in your mind, repeat, I am love. Continue this affirmation in your mind paired with your breath as you sit under the white light waterfall and allow its energy to flow through you and restore you. On your inhale, I am light. On your exhale, I am love. Now, gently let go of the affirmation and come back just to your breath. As you inhale, try to sit up a little taller. Roll your shoulders back and allow yourself to smile and feel the change in the energy that you have created for yourself. You have just shifted your energy and your vibration to that in which you are. You are light and you are love. You are light and you are love. Before you open your eyes, I want you to put your hand on your heart and just send gratitude to the white light waterfall for recharging you today. And send gratitude to Mother Earth, to your home, to your planet, the beautiful place that has been keeping you safe for all of these years. When you're ready, you can begin to open your eyes and come out from beneath the white light waterfall and continue your day in the vibration of light and in the vibration of love. Thank you so much for meditating with me today. If you enjoyed this meditation, I'd love to invite you to become a Mindspo meditator. Click the link below this video and check out my meditation course within the Conscious Circle. Mindspo's private community for personal growth. Come join thousands of people worldwide who have transformed their lives with my 66-day Mindspo Meditation Challenge and our high vibe conscious community. We would love to welcome you. And before you go, if this meditation of the white light waterfall has served you today, please don't forget to support our work by simply liking this video and leaving me a comment with how you feel right now below. And if you want to help us spread the magic of meditation, share this video on your social media or with a friend who might benefit from being recharged by the white light waterfall today. As always, thank you so much for meditating with me. I'm sending you love, your meditation teacher, Fox.